I am here tonight to speak to your humanity and conscience. Imagine a father having to take his child to a hospital. This child is wounded. He is in a critical condition. He shows up to the hospital and they inform him that they're going to be performing the surgery with no anesthesia. Many of us have gone to dentists. Even with anesthesia, we feel pain and discomfort. Now imagine this father has to hold down his child while he undergoes the surgery. And in the middle of the surgery, the hospital loses electricity. The doctor says to the father, "Turn on your flashlight so that I can continue my surgery while he watches his child go through that pain." He does not know whether he's going to make it out of that hospital safely. Imagine for a moment that man who sat in the middle of the rebels. He lost his wife, he lost his children, he lost his home. Imagine for a moment that child who lost his parents. He was shivering from fear. Where does he go? What does he do? Imagine how many children have become orphans. How many mothers have lost their children. How many fathers have had to bury their children. This genocide continues every single day.